Okay, here we go with Prince and the Big Snowstorm. Bango. Look at how deep that is.
Yeah, that
Prince can't move. Charlie had to build a shovel out literally a tunnel like for him.
I think this was an all-time record for Virginia.
Right. I called it George Washington's Revenge because it was the year they switched his holiday from his actual birthday to make it a long weekend in the middle of February.
Good show.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe, though, that we
look at what Charlie has just built there for the snow shoveling.
Here we were supposed to be in the South, and look what happened. I mean, this almost beats anything we had in the Middle West. Although we had some real deep ones then.
Right. And you had to get up on the roof, and you got up on our neighbor's roof to get the snow off so it wouldn't cave the whole roof in.
Yeah.
Weight of it.
It was a lot of fun, though.
Oh, yeah.
Exciting.
Everything was closed. Schools were closed for over a week.
Yeah. I think we still have one of those head masks, don't
Yeah,
we?
we do. Still have our blue station wagon there. I don't think we're going to go very far in it that day, though.
It was certainly good weather for Charlie.
Yeah. You'll notice the cars are not going anywhere.
Nowhere.
You can see we already did there. You already got the snow off, most of the snow off our roof.
Yep. I remember that.
Just look at the height of that.
These are the best pictures we ever took with the old-time camera during snow. Usually they, when you have snow like that, it cuts out the details of the people's faces. Everything gets dark. But you see how you can see John there?
Yeah. Right, that was good, as you can see, snowball type snow too. Good for
Yeah.
making.
They did build a big fort there by the driveway.
Right.
I don't know if it shows in there or not.